Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is on Wednesday or Thursday. Sikumbuki vizuri. It's in the afternoon. I woke up a little bit late. Then I was doing some working in the house since I work from home, and the kitchen is pathetic. Angalieni. Na nguo zenye nilikuwa nimefua sijanua. So that's what I want to do. And I make dinner. Yeah. So guys, here nanua nguo kwa balcony it's just near the kitchen area. There are just 2 lines, so most of the time when I wash, because I usually wash after like almost 1 week, I have so many clothes and I end up filling this space and going on the rooftop to hang extra clothes. So now come with me to the rooftop. When I came here, there were some people on the rooftop and I was feeling so shy because I'm not used to like recording in public, but who is me? I was so determined today to record a video, and I set my camera and ended up taking all these here. I'm feeling so accomplished right now. Yeah. So imekuwa too long since almost a year actually since the last time I took a video and intentionally said I want to post it on YouTube. And mtu rust, if you take too long from posting or you quit creating content, ni kama gist hii ukutoka. Sasa saizi I'm really struggling to create content. Saizi you guys, my people, you bear with me because even the camera angles they are wanting, but yeah, this is me. Sasa nataka kufold guo. Folding these clothes. They were not as little or kidogo as I thought, so I'll just put them away in the closet, and then we'll head to the kitchen where I will do some cleaning and later on cooking dinner. Yeah, I'm done now putting them in the closet and off to the kitchen. So it's already at night. 7. Everything is a mess. So I'm gonna do some cleaning, wash the dishes, and make dinner. Sasa nimemaliza kuosha. I'm getting some things from the fridge. I want carrot, tomatoes, onions, kuna broccoli, cabbage, because today I'm just making rice, simple rice and broccoli, and on the side nataka kupika cabbage. In this house we eat cabbage kila siku. Twapenda cabbage sana kwa hii nyumba. So I don't really cook complicated food because my broccoli napikanga tu na carrot. So I'll just prepare as you can see on this video. Nita prepare kila kitu, nitachonga, nikate, and then we go into the cooking. So let me tell you guys, I remember I was complaining that I am very poor in recording these days. So I managed to record this video because I positioned my phone at a specific place and it was successful. However, when I started moving the phone to show the process of the cooking, my video, like the angles that I took the videos with are not very nice, so you will bear with me. But you guys, I will be very keen on my recordings in future, so I will improve. Thanks. Pardon me, please, guys.
But I'm just getting started. My eyes on the target. Nah, nah. You're the better ones, you can't go.
I had some leftover mincemeat. That's what we love. We love broccoli, mincemeat, and on the side we love cabbage kawaida. So this is me putting everything in the jiko and nimeanza kupika. I promise I'm not a very terrible cook. Actually, I enjoy the process of cooking. So mtajudge what I'm going to prepare. Napenda kununua cabbage yangu ikiwa mzima mzima because usually I don't know, I don't like cabbage tule tukonde twenye tumekatwa kwa mama mboga. Nimezoea kununua cabbage mzima mzima, nikija kwa nyumba napika nusu ama quarter hivyo. Kwa hii pot tutapikia cabbage, then on the side, on the other sufuria that you can see eating there, I'm going to cook my broccoli there. Yeah. Karibu iungue. So I'm just going to koroga and stir everything up and add some salt on both the broccoli side and the cabbage side. As you can see, the only ingredient that I always find myself using all the time is oyster cube. Like, I don't know, I love how it makes my food taste, so I use it on most of my meals, especially veggies. So here is the thing, I don't really cook my carrots like cook. I steam them for like 3. cabbage are ready, and on this other side, broccoli pia is ready. So I just go ahead and chemsha mchele white kawaida. Usually I cook 1 cup of rice and I put 2 cups of water and salt and mafuta so that it cannot stick. And I usually boil my water from the kettle, so it's easy. When I put there, I just count 8-10 minutes, it is done, and I'm ready to enjoy my meal. On this evening, I enjoyed my meal, which was like broccoli, minced meat, rice, and cabbage on the side. So after that, I was just chilling, watching some TV. I watched Netflix, sorry, and I was like, let me just watch the debate between Mother Karua and Gashagwa, and I was just chilling, taking my ice cream because I was just alone in the hours, yeah. And most of the evening, I enjoy my me time. Yeah, there is nothing much that I do. I really work Gioni squeezy because I'm usually exhausted at this point. So guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. I value that subscription, and like this video. Liking is very important. It has idea so that my video you were recommended to more people, because I have a goal by end of this year to be monetized, man. Because honestly, I enjoy making content. It's like that one thing. Yeah, bye.